Looking for the best wash towers in 2026?
In this video, we will count down the top wash tower models that deliver outstanding washing performance, energy efficiency, smart features, and space-saving convenience for modern homes.
Whether you need powerful cleaning, advanced technology, or excellent value for money, we have selected the best options available this year. Be sure to watch until the end to find your perfect match. Links in the description.
Number 5. The LG single-unit front-load wash tower is an impressive all-in-one laundry solution designed for homeowners who want premium performance while maximizing space. Combining a 4.5 cubic foot washer with a spacious 7.4 cubic foot electric dryer, this sleek unit delivers the convenience of a stacked laundry system without sacrificing capacity or features. One of its standout features is the space-saving design. The single-unit vertical configuration occupies significantly less floor space than traditional side-by-side appliances, making it ideal for apartments, laundry rooms, and compact homes. The modern appearance is enhanced by elegant tempered glass doors that provide a premium and durable finish. Another major advantage is the center control panel. Unlike conventional stacked laundry pairs, the controls are positioned at a comfortable height between the washer and dryer. The bright LED display is easy to read and allows users to access settings without stretching or bending, creating a more user-friendly experience. The wash tower also excels with its smart AI technology. Built-in intelligence automatically selects optimal wash and dry settings based on the load, helping improve cleaning performance while reducing guesswork. The allergen wash cycle is especially beneficial for households looking to reduce common allergens in clothing and bedding. In addition, ThinQ connectivity allows users to monitor cycles, receive maintenance alerts, and access smart features directly from their smartphone. Large families will appreciate the generous washer and dryer capacities, which can handle bulky items and larger loads with ease. Overall, the LG Wash Tower offers a perfect blend of innovation, convenience, efficiency, and style, making it one of the best laundry tower systems available in 2026. Number 4. The Electrolux Laundry Tower single-unit front-load washer and electric dryer is a premium laundry solution that combines excellent cleaning performance, large capacity, and space-saving convenience in one sleek package. Designed for modern homes, apartments, and laundry rooms where maximizing floor space is important, this stacked laundry tower delivers full-sized washing and drying power without requiring a large footprint. One of its most appealing features is the space-saving design. The vertical stacked configuration allows homeowners to enjoy a full-sized 4.4 cubic foot washer and an impressive 8 cubic foot dryer while preserving valuable floor space. The included stacking kit simplifies installation and creates a clean, organized appearance that blends well with contemporary home designs. Another standout feature is the LuxCare wash system. This advanced washing technology uses smart load sensing to provide a thorough and efficient clean for every load. By automatically adjusting water levels and wash actions, the machine helps deliver outstanding results while protecting fabrics from unnecessary wear. The stainless steel drum further enhances durability and ensures long-lasting performance. For busy households, the fast wash and dry cycles are a major advantage. The 15-minute fast wash and 15-minute fast dry settings allow users to quickly refresh clothes when time is limited. This feature is especially useful for work clothes, school uniforms, and last-minute laundry needs. The dryer also includes moisture-sensing technology that helps prevent over-drying by automatically stopping the cycle when clothes reach the ideal dryness level. This protects fabrics, reduces energy consumption, and extends garment life. Overall, the Electrolux Laundry Tower offers a perfect combination of efficiency, capacity, convenience, and premium performance for everyday laundry care. Number 3. The LG single-unit front-load wash tower with a 4.5 cubic foot washer and 7.4 cubic foot dryer is a premium laundry appliance that combines powerful performance, intelligent technology, and a space-saving design. Built for modern households, this all-in-one laundry tower offers full-size capacity while taking up significantly less floor space than traditional side-by-side washer and dryer setups. One of its biggest highlights is the center control design. LG places the washer and dryer controls at an easy-to-reach central location, eliminating the inconvenience of stretching to access upper controls. The full-touch electronic panel with a bright LED display creates a sleek and user-friendly experience that simplifies everyday laundry tasks.
Another standout feature is its AI smart technology. Built-in intelligence automatically selects optimal wash and dry settings based on fabric type and load size. The AI DD washing system enhances fabric care by detecting load characteristics and adjusting wash motions accordingly. The washer can even communicate with the dryer to select a compatible drying cycle, making laundry more convenient than ever. Performance is equally impressive, thanks to Turbo Wash and Turbo Steam technologies. Turbo Wash 360 delivers powerful cleaning in less time, while Turbo Steam helps reduce wrinkles and refresh garments. The allergen wash cycle is certified to help remove common household allergens, making it an excellent choice for families with allergy concerns. The ultra-large capacity washer and dryer allow users to complete more laundry in fewer loads, saving both time and energy. Additional features such as thin queue connectivity, speed wash, True Balance anti-vibration technology, flow sense indicators, and Energy Star certification further enhance its value. Overall, the LG WashTower delivers outstanding convenience, efficiency, and cleaning performance for busy households in 2026. Number 2. The LG single-unit front-load WashTower with a 4.5 cubic foot washer and 7.4 cubic foot gas dryer is a premium laundry solution that blends modern design, advanced technology, and exceptional convenience into one compact appliance. Designed to maximize efficiency without sacrificing performance, this WashTower is an excellent choice for households looking to save space while enjoying full-size laundry capabilities. One of the most impressive features is its ultra-large capacity. The spacious washer and dryer allow you to tackle large loads with ease, including bulky bedding, towels, jeans, and even king-size comforters. By handling more clothes in a single cycle, this WashTower helps reduce the number of loads required each week, saving valuable time and effort. Another standout advantage is the center control panel. Unlike traditional stacked laundry systems where dryer controls can be difficult to reach, LG places all controls at a convenient central location. This thoughtful design improves accessibility and creates a more comfortable user experience. The sleek appearance also frees up floor space, providing room for additional storage, a folding station, or a utility sink. The true innovation lies in its AI smart technology. Built-in sensors analyze load size and fabric type to automatically select the ideal wash and dry settings. This intelligent system helps protect delicate fabrics while ensuring excellent cleaning and drying performance. Through the ThinQ application, users can activate Smart Learner technology, which remembers preferred settings for even greater convenience. Smart Pairing allows the washer to communicate directly with the dryer, automatically selecting a compatible drying cycle. Overall, the LG WashTower delivers outstanding performance, advanced automation, and space-saving convenience, making it one of the best laundry tower options available in 2026. Number 1. The LG single-unit WashTower with a 5.0 cubic foot washer and 7.8 cubic foot electric ventless heat pump dryer represents the next generation of laundry technology, combining advanced cleaning performance, exceptional energy efficiency, and a modern space-saving design. This premium appliance is an outstanding choice for households looking for convenience without compromising results. One of its most impressive features is the heat pump drying technology. Powered by LG dual inverter heat pump technology, this Energy Star certified dryer uses significantly less energy than conventional dryers while maintaining excellent drying performance. The lower drying temperatures are gentler on fabrics, helping clothes retain their appearance and quality for longer. Since the dryer is ventless, installation is more flexible, and maintenance requirements are minimal. Another standout feature is the AI Smart Care system. Built-in sensors automatically detect fabric type, load size, and moisture levels to optimize washing and drying cycles. AI Sensor Dry works alongside an infrared sensor to prevent both underdrying and overdrying, ensuring consistent results every time. This intelligent automation removes the guesswork from laundry and helps protect delicate garments. The mega-capacity performance is equally impressive. With a spacious 5.0 cubic foot washer and 7.8 cubic foot dryer, the WashTower easily handles large family loads, bulky bedding, towels, and comforters. Turbo Wash 360 technology uses powerful multi-angle spray jets to provide a deep and efficient clean in less than 30 minutes, helping save valuable time on laundry day. Additional highlights include the direct drive motor system with a 10-year limited warranty, quiet operation,
durable, never-rust stainless steel tubs, and stylish tempered glass doors. Overall, this LG WashTower delivers premium efficiency, advanced intelligence, and exceptional cleaning performance for modern homes in 2026. That wraps up our list of the best WashTowers in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect combination of performance, convenience, and value for your laundry needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.